representing Cadillac Kid Productions. We are doing Project Racer today. This is episode, I'm thinking 3. Might be 4. I don't know. To be honest, I might not even put these in the order I'm shooting them. But this is the 3rd and or 4th episode I am shooting. But either way, today we are going to be doing the steering wheel. Everyone knows the steering wheel is the single most important part of the car. A lot of people, they go to tracks and they see race cars and they think, oh, it's all about the tires and the brakes and the suspension. And then you got the power guys, or it's all about the engine and the turbo or the supercharger. And they're all wrong. The single most important thing in a manual car is the shift knob. Now this is an automatic, so shifting's not that big a deal. So the most important thing after the shift knob, or if you have an automatic, the most important thing is the steering wheel. Now look at this huge, gargantuan fucking steering wheel. It's so big and heavy that, well, obviously it's going to slow me down because of how big and heavy it is. So we need to replace it with this lightweight ergo drive steering wheel, and this is actually a sports rated fucking steering wheel. This is like what all the drag racers use. Ergo stands for extreme race grade over drive. So this is a race grade level fucking steering wheel. This is like all the ralliers use it. Ken Block swears by these. Like this is a Ken Block recommended part. It's going to improve the steering of the vehicle so much. I'm going to be able to take turns twice as fast, twice as hard. I'm going to be just totally ripping up the track because I'm going to have better steering because I'm going to have this steering wheel on. Alright, so first things first, got to get it out of the packaging. Alright, don't need fucking instructions. There we go. Put it on like this, and it all the way around. Watch it not be the right size, eh? Fucking Christ. One thing's for sure, if I do get this on, it's not fucking going anywhere. What the fuck was that? Come on. Almost there. Come on. Almost got it. Need a tool. Come on. Almost there. Come on. You're pretty much on. Like, fuck off. Alright. There you go. And I nice racing steering wheel, nice lightweight. Fucking got the center bar to tell me exactly which way the wheel's going. This is like a drift wheel, if I'm honest. Got fucking skulls on the side for grip. Oh yeah, no, this is fucking perfect. I'm gonna win a lot of fucking races thanks to this thing. Alright, so there you have it. That is the steering wheel installation. Like I said, this is the most important part. If you've got a project car, don't waste your time on fucking fancy brakes and tires. Don't waste your time putting in a better engine. Go straight to the fucking steering wheel and shift knob. Those are the number 1 and number 2 fucking things you absolutely got to focus on. Already fucking damaged the hell out of this. That's not getting returned. And to be quite honest, I don't think it's coming off. But yeah. So there you have it. That is episode 3 and or 4 of Project Racer, the fucking steering wheel. This is gonna, like I said, it's gonna help me out so much on races. I'm gonna fucking, like, be curving up the bends. Fucking, like I said, it's got grip. Like, this is a much better steering wheel than what I had before. You can tell just by looking at it. I mean, it's got skulls on it. You know what that means? That means that, like, do or die, I'm gonna win races.